you're probably gonna be like, hey, you just made a video. You just made a video. So why in the world are you outside? I'm walking my dog. So, let's go on a nature run. Cause we're going on a nature run. Hi. One, two. Oh, girls got a line stuck on my neck in my pants. Okay, let's go. Cause it's a beautiful day. I don't know how most people's vlog. This is how I do it. So don't judge me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copyright is not good. That's why hopefully I'm not gonna be copyrighted. Hopefully this is friendly content, apparently. Hopefully. Maybe. I'm not so white that he's not racist. It's not racist. But new people think they're racist. It's not. If anything, you racist. No, you're not. You're not racist. I'm just joking. So you gotta joke something. You gotta take a joke, man. Come on. Isn't that hard? You gotta take a joke. I mean, I might get sued for this. Who knows? Please don't sue me. I'm a kid. I'm a 10-year-old kid. My parents ain't got no money. They're broke. Well, they got money, but... They got money, but they ain't broke. They ain't got a lot of money. Come on. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna head up the hill. So, I guess we're gonna do that. Yippity yay yay. Energizing! Cause we're exercising, which most 10-year-old kids don't do. And if you do, I'm really sorry if I offended you. So why are you doing that, buddy? Just walking all over the place. Can you see him? Buddy. 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 Do you have anything to say? No? Alright, let's go. Alright, we're gonna go to my church. Not because I have to go to church today. Just because I walk my dog that way every day, so we're going. Hey, don't you stop barking. He barks at everything. Like he see a postman, bark, bark. He see a man, bark, bark. Besides my dad, my mom, and me, he don't bark. And Lily, our other dog, she's like 70-something in dog years. So, I don't know what y'all are seeing right now, because y'all probably can't see me, because the stupid sunlight costs you, son! Nobody needs you anyways. I'm just kidding. Yes, we do. We need you, son, because you're the best thing that's ever happened to us. Without you, we wouldn't have summers. Cause it's a beautiful day. Cause it's a beautiful day. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, buddy. But seriously, Buddy, my dog, not yours. Man. Man. Buddy, man. He man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Papa going on a ship, and I'll have everybody ship. Right there. We're going on a trip. Watch me now, watch me. We're going through the skies. Little French fries. Woo. Okay, let's go. Are you okay? Come here. Are you okay? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come on. Apparently, I stepped on his tail accidentally. If you sue me for animal abusement, you get sued back because I didn't do nothing to him. Don't sue me, because I can't sue. I'm not old enough yet. Maybe I could. Just not really sure. Maybe I could. So, yeah. Vlog life, am I right? Vlog life is horrible when you're different. Yeah. I live in South Carolina. Let's go. Cause we go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 2017. So you're 21. It's 21. So you're 21. You're 21. You're 21. It's 2017, bro. Oh! New rap song. Oh. Cause it's a beautiful day. Hey. Alright, guys. I'm not gonna walk to the church. Cause I don't feel like it. I'll walk to the church in another video. So, yeah. Pretty much. Maybe next. No, I ain't got no materials for that. Never mind. Adventures of Buddy Boo Boo. There you go. What he does every day. Ow. Alright. Well, guys. I'm gonna have to leave the vlog here. And remember, Buddy is my dog. He ain't yours. He's mine. Owen, smoking the bear is gonna keep on smoking the bears. Look